No. No, they tell us, and we're supposed to obey?
No, we shout back, but they no longer hear
our screams,
our cries,
our voices. They hear nothing but the man in their head telling them it's okay.
It's okay to take what you can't have.
It's okay to rip someone apart. It's okay to touch a woman, a girl who shouted no.
They push us around.
They push us to the ground. They rip our clothes so they can see every inch of our bruised and beaten bodies.
They tell us it's all our fault, that we begged and begged.
All we wanted was for them to stop.
Cover up, but not too much. You should look like a boy.
Don't have flawed skin, but don't wear too much makeup or else you look fake. They measure our worth on a scale of 1 through 10, but to be a 10, you must look impossible.
Your body perfectly shaped in hourglass frame.
A butt like Kim K, thick thighs with a slim waist.
You must be shorter, not taller.
Not smarter, not stronger, not braver, not wiser. You must not speak your voice. In their eyes, our opinion does not matter.
We are to do as they say, no matter the matter.
We are a trophy to be shown off, only useful when they tell us we are.
They could do whatever they want, whenever they want, but heaven forbid we don't answer a call.
We are told all our lives that we'll never be better, that men are in charge in this world, and we should know better.
They want us to look good and show a little skin. We get called names, harassed when we don't give in.
We as women are no better.
We call each other horrible names.
We blame each other for others' mistakes.
We shame each other for the very things that men are praised for.
We forget our worth.
We put each other down to feel better.
Point out each other's flaws and insecurities and mock one another. This image is put into our head the minute we start to develop. You very rarely see a 9-year-old girl wish she was slimmer.
But social media has ruined the way we see ourselves.
Everywhere we look, we see the perfect girl. The girl with the beautiful eyes, soft skin, and full lips.
The body all women wish they had, and the body all men tell us we should have.
The reality is, all this perfect you see in these girls,
it's fake. And the saddest part of it all is we will do anything to look this certain way. Stopping ourselves from eating.
Overworking our bodies and mentally abusing ourselves. None of this is worth it. We will never be perfect in everyone's eyes, and we all need to learn that.
This world was not invented for us to all look the same, nor to live the same. We are meant to be different.
So why are we still in constant competition?